Hi, welcome to Differential Equations. This is our Moodle site. I'm going to give you a quick little tour um, so that you'll know how this is going to work this semester. This course is entirely asynchronous, which means we don't have any course meetings. Everything that you need to complete the work in the class is here in Moodle. So this first block of information at the top here is things that you're going to need to refer to throughout the semester. Class announcements, I'll post things in here um, if I need to contact the entire class about something, changing a test or something like that. I'll post in the class announcements, and it will also automatically email your student email account. Then in syllabus and other documents, we have syllabus, how to submit written work. Let's take a look at that. So all written work for this course should be submitted in the following format. Your name's on the submitted document. All your handwritten mathematical work is on the submitted document. It's a single multiple page file, so one file with multiple pages if necessary. And it has to be a PDF file. And then you should name it, assignment name, your name.pdf, and upload it through Moodle. This is the only format written work will be accepted. There's lots of ways to put a file into this format. I've outlined a few here. There's probably many more that you are welcome to use, as long as the final product is a multiple page PDF file, a single file. All right, and then this next file here is the schedule by week. So we'll take a look at that. This I highly suggest you print and have easily available to check what's happening in a given week, what things are due, and what work you need to be doing to stay on top of things. So either print it or like save it as a file that's easily accessible on your desktop. Okay, then course lesson packets. If you click in here, there are 3 packets that contain lessons for the entire semester. So every lesson has a demo and a set of activities and a set of even more practice. So the demo is the lecture part. You watch a video to go along with it. The activities you try on your own after you watch the demo. And if you get stuck, you can watch the video of the activities as well. And those videos are in this next link, Math 204 class videos. This is a YouTube playlist that contains all the demos and activities for the semester. Then I have a link for my office hours. This is a link to my Zoom room. These are my office hours here, but we can also set up an appointment outside of these hours. And then the link to the virtual math studio for spring 2021. Okay, then we get to the meat of the course here. So this course is set up on a weekly schedule. Every week has a block. So you can open each block and see the things that you have to do that week. So every week has a checklist. You go into the checklist and you can see all the things you need to do. Everything is due on Sunday of that week. So anything listed here has to be done by January 31st because this week ends on Sunday, January 31st. You need to check off the items as you do them. That's actually part of your grade. You can read about that in the syllabus. It's the classwork/homework portion of your grade. So you check off each item as you do it, and that counts as part of your grade for the class. Okay, so that's the each week has a checklist, and then things that you need to complete the checklist would be the class videos and the textbook, and then anything else you might need is posted right underneath the checklist. So this week has a bunch of extra things that you need to finish the checklist. So let me close that up. Let's look at the next week. It's got the same format, a checklist, followed by things that you need to complete the checklist. And then you'll see that every week has the same format. Okay, it's got a checklist, and then anything you need to complete the checklist is underneath it. Every week has a discussion forum. You can read in the syllabus how that's graded. It is part of your grade. And then whenever there are quizzes, the due date is listed here as well. But it is always Sunday of the week that you're working in. Okay, so everything is always going to be due on Sundays at the end of the week. That about covers how Moodle works. We get to the final exam. The final exam will be taken in Moodle. You'll just click here. You won't be allowed to open this until March 8th, but that's where you'll take the exam. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy the class. Please reach out if you have any questions. I look forward to working with you.